Today I'm gonna color this picture of Blaze the cat. Let's start on her face first. She has golden yellow eyes and a black nose. The insides of her ears are light peach. And let's make the gem on her head and her hair tie red. And let's color in her fur light and dark purple. And let's color in her outfit purple and pink with a gold necklace and pink shoes. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in Blaze the cat. Next, let's color in the background. Let's make all these emeralds all different colors. And let's color in the rest of the background light blue, purple, and yellow. Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so cool. I love all the different colored emeralds in the background. And Blaze the cat is just the best. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm KiMMi the Clown. Hope you had fun clowning around with me today. This picture of Blaze turned out so pretty. Have a fun day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Wow, coloring is so much fun! Like this video if you like to color too! If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to check out my last Sonic the Hedgehog coloring video! And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button because I post fun videos every single day! Love you guys! Bye!